Hello everyone, I'm your host Boss Zombie. Welcome back to Fallout New Vegas, Lonesome Road, and leaving the Courier's Mile. Can I fast travel in here? Let's see. I need to go back to the Ashton place. Oh, I can. Cool. Awesome. I bet Red X wore off. And it's irradiated in here. What is happening down there? What am I supposed to do? Oh, am I gonna fight a bunch of guys? Naturally. Where'd that guy come from? Oh, here comes another one. Pro tip, when dealing with these types of elevator situations, it's always best to stick to a corner. Jesus Christ with this place. You done? I'm actually not taking... I should be taking damage if my threshold's high enough, but I'm not. God damn, this elevator. Done? Okay, good. Okay. Going through here. Oh, my controller was vibrating a lot there. Oh, even this place? Please stop. Please no explodies. Explodies bad for a game. Game might die if explodies. Please no. I said please no, not more. Jesus. Oh, this looks like it's a bigger building. I thought it would be. I'm guessing I have to get down there. What is this? Embroiders. Nope. Disciplines? There we go. Disengage lock. What's in here? Hey! Another Eddie upgrade. We both get +2 damage threshold as long as he's in the party. Let me do some things. I might as well. Whoops. That's what I want. Whoa, I can make a lot of flamer fuel optimized. CC to ECP? There. Okay. Beep, 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 boop, boop, boop. The point of this was the Eddie upgrade. Let me make sure I haven't missed anything else. No, looks like I'm doing okay. I think I've got them all so far that I could have gotten. Looks like it, yeah. Okay. So level 1. So this one is going... Excuse me! He just fired sideways. His gun was facing that way and he fired at me. Eddie, you gonna activate that thing? Thank you. What's this? Criminals? Nope, not even close. Obtaining? Still not even close. Divisions. It's... Oh, this is dumb to be doing this. Okay. It had to be that, but still, you should... Can I pick this lock? Nope. Everything has to be through computer. Where it came in from, right? I almost shot at you. Nope. Empty. Nope. Actually, Eddie, have we discovered anything new? No? Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay, alright. Was over here. Okay. Launch deck. Jesus. Shit, man. Isn't there a safe somewhere here? There it is. Make sure I explore everything on this floor first before I just jump down there. A lot of junk. I don't see anything particularly useful in there. There we go. Of course, nothing. And more nothing. Doesn't see anything else up here either. Sure. God, where's the sweet spot? Do, 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 do. Oh, what's that in the corner? Well, I guess that's just a souvenir, because I can't use that. What are the other... I forget what the rest of the... So that upgrade for Eddie just gave me damage threshold. The next one gives damage bonus to all beam weapons. Plus 5 beam weapon damage for both me and Eddie. Includes all weapons from laser... Oh, so the Gatling becomes even stronger. Really? Wait. It's a flat additive? Holy crap, that makes this thing even stronger. VATS attack plus 5... Oh, so the fifth one's not really useful for me, but... Still. Wow. Cool. I need to get that fourth upgrade at least. Hold still, you little fuckface. You too. Can I hit you in the head? Oh, that looks so cool. How much ammo does that use per AP? I have 90 in a clip, down to 74. So each shot uses 13, if I did my incredibly simple math correctly. Anything here? No? Alright, let's see. Oh, this is like a hotel. I hear lots of tunnelers. What am I looking for in here? Okay. Where'd you go? Ooh. Is that a Chinese skill book right there? Wow, that's right there in the open. Those are usually harder to find. Chinese stealth, Chinese. There we go. Nice, nice. What are we looking for in here? Ah. Reminds me of the Bison Steve Hotel from Prim. God, that feels like it was forever ago. By the way, in case you're worried, this DLC isn't as long as Dead Money or Old World Blues. It's longer than Honest Hearts, that's for sure. We are coming up towards the end of it. We're like already 2/3 in, at least. Oh, I hear another one. It does enough damage fast enough that even if I don't kill them quickly, it still cripples their heads or something. What else is in here? I see a Ralphie poster over there. Hey, pre-war money. Lots of books. Alright, alright, alright. 12 of 20. I will be absolutely flabbergasted if I managed to find all 20 of those. Okay. I have the sneaking suspicion that once we go outside, one Ulysses will contact us. Bet so.
Hopeville, High Road, Ashton, tiny cracks in the earth, nothing compared to the road carved ahead.
God,
Before
that was a
you,
face I made.
this is the edge of the divide. Ahead lies your work, the history you burned in the earth, what you brought to the people here.
What happened here?
You delivered a package, had markings that matched those in the divide. Not all, but enough. Military markings from someplace the bear had savaged in the west. Maybe seeing those markings on it reminded you of home, made you carry it.
You said this package, I don't recall it.
It was from the west, from deep in NCR. Whether made by them or not, it came here through your hands. It was a device, a detonator, one I'd never seen before, or heard before. You carried that thing to the divide. I know because I followed you as you walked the road, watched you do it. You brought it here, to the community you built. And you are responsible for what happened after, when the device opened, started to speak. When it did, the divide answered back. Those missiles you've seen, buried in their silos. They exploded beneath the ground, cracked the landscape. Sand, ash, the dead. The divide skies became a graveyard.
Ooh. If you saw this happen, then how did you survive? This package, you said, yeah, how did you survive?
Should have died there. But now that I know you live, the machines here saved me. I was the only survivor. Or thought I was. Your package, the message inside, awoke medical machines, close to the one that shadows you, began to build themselves. Then others. They only take what parts they find in the divide, never roam beyond it. Can't even leave the silos without a human to shadow. Like hounds. Maybe they saw the flag on my jacket, thought I was of America. If so, history saved me. A sign.
This is revenge for nearly killing you. You said it had markings. What was it?
Machinery. Simple on the outside. Computer parts. Inside. More complicated. Was the only time I'd heard a machine speak in the divide. The only machine with a voice.
I don't understand how a package could have done this.
You will. I'll show the Mojave, Bear and Bull, the way of it. How couriers can break nations. What happened here can happen again. You already proved it. What you did in Ashton, the silo there.
I had no idea the silo was active until the missile was in the air toward Hopeville. I didn't intend to set the missile off over the divide. I didn't intend.
Didn't stop you though. Like carrying the chip to Vegas. Old world death in your hand. Pieces of the old world like that just need someone careless enough to take them where they need to go. To do their killing.
I'm not to blame for Ashton, the chip, or the divide. You want me to come to the divide? I'm here. Yeah.
All these roads that you walked, these packages that you carried, think it wasn't your choice? Of course, it was your choice. You could have stayed in the Mojave, but you chose to come, couldn't let be, not in you to let go. Came for no other reason than you were curious, restless, always have been. Had to know the why of it. Now, I'll show you.
So you're angry because I accidentally brought an explosive, The why of it, you're the one who needs to answer that. Why are you doing this?
Want to hear the answer of it? Not just history's answer. Your answer for what happened here.
What happened here was an accident. Any anger you have, let it go. So you're angry, I accidentally brought an explosive device. Yeah, what happened here was an accident.
Accident. Ignorance is a choice. The chip, a choice. As for anger, it is what I carry for the dead and all that come here.
When you speak of the dead, you mean the Marked Men, the Legion, the NCR, the Divide Explosion? What, did I kill your family, your wife, children? That's too dark. I'll go with the NCR and Legion.
The soldiers of the bear, they were dead already. Their symbol, diseased, deserved to die as my brothers did at Boulder City. Mines, bombs. I carry nothing for them. Their deaths here were a mercy compared to the ones that still walk the divide. As for my brothers in the Legion, they deserved to die in battle, as do all beneath the flag of the bull. But no, the dead number more than my brothers.
Then what? Did the Divide... No. If you're Legion, are you angry because I destroyed the Divide supply line instead of you?
The supply line, the artery for the West. I have seen the blood of NCR at Legion hands many times. I carry no hatred for duty, if that's what this was. The Divide was more than that. Its people more than that.
If you blame me for what happened at the Divide, why do you care? You think I'm responsible for this? My question is, what your tie is to this place? Yeah, what your tie is.
The community that was once here, and the package you brought, both had markings of the Divide, markings of America. You've seen the marks, the symbol, as early as the Hopeville silo, maybe. Carried it etched on your weapons. The Divide, its buildings, its people, were built around those same markings, surrounded them here. Markings like the flag on my back when I followed a Euro road to the Divide those years ago. I saw the symbol I wore all around me. An old world symbol, strong to survive here. Its people strong. Outlast the bear, outlast the bull. Promise of something better. Kaiser was right to want it dead. NCR was right to want to rake their claws in it. Seeing it changed me. Just as seeing Hoover Dam changed Kaiser and the NCR. Seeing it end changed me too.
So you believe that in this place what it once was? If you cared about the Divide, I'm sorry for what happened here.
There was hope here. Another chance. A new nation stirring to life. A place I could have set my flag. Not the America of old, but something larger than the tribes of the East. Something larger than the houses of the West. Something better. The Divide could have bridged both, like Hoover Dam. Now, like the dam, it's too covered in blood to see what it could have been. You gave life to this place. I followed your road here, saw the Divide. You led me here so that I could see. Then you brought it to an end.
And that's why you want me dead. So it's revenge then for destroying the Divide.
My history isn't revenge or hate. The road that brought us both here isn't about that. It's about the message you carried. The one in that package, whether you knew it flag. I don't blame you for the divide. I blame you for what you made me see. Now you will see what you brought to the Mojave, and that will be my message to you.
What message?
The nations of the Mojave, cracked and broken as the divide, its people the same. I have walked at Caesar's command across the east into the west, far enough to know Caesar's word did not drive me, far enough to see the end. You've seen it. No courier, whatever their flag, can ignore it. Why you didn't stay in the west, why you wondered. There's no future in the bear or bull. The bear is diseased, barely clings to life. And the bull, when the legion reaches the sea, it will turn on itself and die. Killing one will end both, and you made me see how one could do it. Your ignorance, carelessness, can be used with a purpose.
You learned the wrong message.
Really? Who's to say the truth of it? You? No. You walked from this, turned your back on it. Now you and others will answer for it. I'll start with the west. Let that burn. Then, if the east falters after, I'll bring the divide there as well. Burn away the flags. Begin again.
Well, you wanted me to come to the divide. I'm here. Now what?
Your road's not done. Haven't walked it full yet. Not nearly enough. The way ahead and below leads to the heart of the divide. And there, you and I, we'll have an ending to things.
I'm not done talking to you yet. There's more I want to know.
Already heard you once, long ago, and loud enough for history to hear. Tired of your messages. Still, curiosity drove you this far. Let's see what else it can do.
Boy. You said you made a promise not to kill me. Why?
Caesar's orders. Sometime before I realized the why of it. Wasn't just you. All couriers. No telling how many were legion. Maybe all of them. Wasn't sure about you until the divide. All the NCR burning. That much death. It bears the mark of a legion hand. But you killed like NCR, like Hanlon, with mines, bombs, missiles. Killed legion along with the bear, like a coward kills from a distance. If you were legion, then NCR beat you. The West changed you.
I was never a Legion agent.
I know that now. Doesn't change what was done. The Legion who died here. Even if you were Legion, you would answer for those deaths by Caesar's law.
God, whenever he talks and there's that like echoey static in the background, it sounds like people screaming. Listen, what's our history? How do you know me?
I knew all of you, your name, your road to and from the divide, what that meant for the Legion. We never spoke, knew you through your actions, knew you'd walked the West as I'd walked the East, learned different lessons, and I would never have discovered the divide without you.
Oh. I want to talk more about your recordings I found here in the divide.
You scavenge words. Things I had no need of. No history there worth recounting. Scour the divide, claw at it for meaning, but my words will give you no answer.
Speech 75. Ooh, I've been collecting them. Listen to you talk about history enough, maybe I'll understand.
They won't help you understand what happened here. And they won't help you understand me. Keep them, listen, study them. They won't help you here in the divide.
In the logs, you mentioned a tribe called the Twisted Hairs. Did he? I mean, briefly. Your tribe?
Twisted Ears are dead, lost at dry wells, died in Wolpus's smile. Won't discuss their fate with you. Not now. Their past is mine to keep. Walk farther. See me face to face. You might earn more. Now let the words keep you without me adding to them.
You wouldn't have recorded those messages if they didn't matter to you.
Maybe not. Who's to say? You, perhaps, found them, heard them after I cast them aside. Maybe there was purpose in that. If they matter, if history matters, we'll see at the end of the road.
God, this is lengthy. The logs of the Big Empty mentioned you'd spoken to history.
I did. It was madness. Asked them a question in anger. Got an answer. More than I expected. Answer told me what happened here at the divide, the how of it, and that was enough. The tape has the telling of it. Don't need me adding to the questions already there.
Before I go any farther, I deserve some answers.
You've seen the divide, walked it, farther than I thought you would. Not sure how much farther you have in you. If you need answers, speak. You've earned them. Even if only you and I can carry them from here.
I want to know more about this package I delivered.
You know what it was. Had the symbols of America on it. New markings from after the Great War. Thought it might be America come again. Promise of another future. Another flag.
But what was it?
It was a piece of machinery. Military. Holding memories. Codes, maybe. When it woke, made these sounds. Words. When it spoke, the divide became fire. The ground tore apart like the skies. Through it all, kept calling out. Maybe calling for home.
Where's the package now?
Buried in the divide. Part of it now. Wherever it is, it's been silent. If it spoke again, we'd know.
What do you mean when it woke?
Machine couldn't speak by itself. Needed a terminal to access it. Like the terminals in the silos here. Or the machine with you. When it was connected, it started speaking. And the divide answered.
There's more I need to know.
If I have the answers, you've earned them.
Canyon is miles long, maybe longer. Where can I find you?
At the end of the divide, through the trenches and wreckage, that's where you'll find me. My new home, here, amongst dead men. You and that machine. Keep your eyes on the tower that cuts the horizon. You'll find your way. Made it this far. Not much farther to go.
I guess he means that tower. Alright, so a little long-winded and lengthy, but that should be enough. So thanks for joining me. Come back, I'll have the next stuff up real soon, but until then, bye.